Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Ow! 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 What the f*** did I do? Ow! It's all recording, dog. Ow. Oh.
Oh. Okay. So staff would like you to leave the property, so I can give you a ride over.
I'm getting Uber, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Are you the what are you? Yeah.
I think I'm the police.
Are you them? Yeah, I know who you are.
Yep.
I want your superior, bro, because I'm not driving, and I drive safe,
you
bro.
understand you're in a
Can I
running
stand
vehicle.
up? Can I stand up with you tackling me and like causing a scene? It's all on video, by the way.
You understand you're sitting in a running vehicle.
Yeah. My vehicle's not running, by the way. So nice try. It was never.
It was.
Actually, the music was running. It's not. It's all on video. I don't care.
That's fine. My body camera's on too when it's recording that. So you kind of have two options at this
You're
point.
blocking me in for the last 10 minutes of my car's not been running at all.
Because you're highly intoxicated and you shouldn't be driving.
Yeah, and I'm not.
And I offered you a ride to the hotel.
You did not.
Yes, I did.
You're a liar.
Then
Hey.
how do I know you stay at the Hampton Inn?
Hey.
Because you told me you stayed at the
Oh my
Hampton.
God.
And I offered
Can you
a
bring me
ride.
there right now?
Absolutely. I offered you a ride.
Let's go. Let's go, because if not, I got a lawsuit, bro.
Can I just see your room key?
Yeah, you can.
To see that you stay at the Hampton Inn, and then
if you don't mind, without tackling me like a savage little blue boy that you are, here you go, bro.
You said your brother's a police officer.
Yeah, he
this
is.
is how you would want to,
sir.
This is how you.
Oh. Okay,
that's correct.
If you don't mind, can I go in the car?
Can I just see your room?
Yeah,
that's what I'm
in the car, without tackling me.
You don't have to snap your fingers.
Yeah. I'm snapping my fingers, bro. Because you're sap. You're worried about me out here, bro.
Because you can
I don't
barely
drive, bro.
stand up.
I will walk 2 miles to my house.
Then they're more than welcome to leave.
If you don't mind. I'm not driving.
Okay.
Sir.
Just show me your Hampton Inn room key and I'll give you a ride over there.
Can I please go in my car? You stay the there, dude. Don't step to me, bro. You're not coming to me at all, bro. You stay right there. I'm not under investigation. Stay right there.
Okay. So
I know my rights, bro. Look at you blocked me in. Yeah. Keep stepping in, bro.
Yeah. I don't know what you're going for.
Yeah, keep stepping in. Stay there.
Yeah. I'll help you out. I'll put my flashlight on.
I don't need my keys.
Here we go.
No, go ahead.
You want to get your Hampton Inn key?
Get an Uber. I'm getting an Uber. I already have an Uber on the way.
Please grab your Hampton Inn key.
Get out of my car, bro, without proper investigation.
I'm not in your car.
Get out of my car without proper
investigation. If you make contact with me one more time, you're going to get arrested.
Yeah, please step away. It's all on the recording.
So, yes, would you like a ride to the Hampton Inn or not?
Yes.
Okay. Just show me the Hampton Inn key.
Then step away from me.
I was trying to assist you with my
Public
flashlight.
servant, step away.
If you spit in my face, there's going to be major
I'm not
problems.
stepping in your face.
Spitting in my face.
Oh, spitting.
Yes.
I'm not.
So I'm asking you to show me your
Please step
room
away,
key.
public servant. Please
You
step
were in
away.
this car several times, so
Please step away.
who are you talking to?
Back up. My recording. Back away. I'm actually sick. You want to?
Well, you're the one that got into this area. Are you going to get your hotel
Yeah.
key? Here you go.
Back away 6 feet, which is my, respected area. Back away from me.
Okay. So you need to leave.
So I'm gonna open this up without any problems. I'm gonna get the hotel key that he's requesting, and you're gonna back away from me more than this arm length, please.
Get your hotel key.
Is your body cam on?
It's on.
Thank you. Back the away from me.
Get the hotel
6
key out.
feet. I'm 6. Ready?
Get the hotel key.
I'm 6'5". Back the away from me. With no disrespect, sir.
And I'm asking you to get your hotel key.
I will walk.
You're the one that keeps getting in my face.
Back away.
Do you notice that? Every time I step back, you get closer to me.
Ready? Back away from me.
Get your hotel key, man.
Back away from me.
Dude, just get your hotel key.
Away from me.
Bro. Hey, bro. I called you an Uber. Don't drive.
I'm not driving. Get the away from me.
They're
Just
good.
get your hotel key, man. I'll give you a ride.
Man. Get the away from me 6 feet, and I'll give you my.
Sorry, I'm not.
You said you called him an Uber?
I did.
And I'll show you.
I just want to verify where you're staying so I can get it.
Yeah, $105 a year, bro.
I don't.
And I donate to your stupid ass cause for you being a. Back away from me,
Bro.
man.
Hey, bro.
You're
Call
really
you an
getting
Uber.
close
You're good.
to getting arrested for trespass.
Bro, you're good. I called you an Uber. You're good.
Call the Uber and go. Hey, no one told us.
Bro, you ain't messing with my brain, bro.
Shut the f up. Get over.
I didn't do anything.
Rob, you
bro.
can get
I
out here
am.
for a quick moment.
Yeah, I'll be out here.
He's pressing me, bro. Look at him. See his car's backed up against my car. I wasn't leaving.
Bro,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Bro, you want to get DUI?
I already called you an Uber.
I'm
You're
not
good.
driving. I have 0 on my
All right,
license,
shut
dog.
up, dude. Shut up.
You ain't gonna press me. Yo.
Please, thank you.
I absolutely did not mean to overstep myself. I have no idea who he is, but
Yo, you ain't gonna press me with your.
You get in that car, going to jail.
No, I'm not driving. Yeah, Gucci bag, cool, bro.
Nobody don't give a about that Gucci bag. You get ready to get an Uber, your shit.
Cough drops, bro. With your,
we already
with
called
your
you
dumbass
Uber,
drunk.
Hey,
What?
hey.
I didn't do anything to you, Bakula.
Shut the up and sit down before you take your dumb ass to jail.
You need my cough drops, man.
Hush.
Do you hear my voice?
Sit down. Sit right here.
Would
Have
you
a
like
good
this
night.
gentleman to leave? the
Good
property?
night.
Because he's
Yes,
refusing
sir.
to leave.
I'm not
He's not
refusing to
capable
leave.
to drive.
That's a lie.
Why are you?
It's all on recording.
Sorry.
Hey, sir, I'm not refusing to
What would you
leave.
like to do?
Hey,
I'm just trying to
sorry.
do this as a
I'm leaving
documentation
right now,
factor
bro.
with my
I'm
body
leaving
cam
right now.
on.
I do not want him to drive. I want him to leave the property. Walk.
Sir,
Walk.
if you don't mind, I need a cigarette from my property. I'm not refusing to leave you, and I have this all on recording. You're a f***ing liar, dude.
Leave the property.
Yeah.
Okay.
I tip
So you have-
30% on Wednesdays. I tip 40% on Thursdays. And I tip 50% on Fridays, bro.
Where you going? Where you going?
I'm premises.
You going?
Yeah.
All right, come on.
They want to see my hotel key.
Let's go.
I'm gonna show them right now.
Shut out. I'll take you
Let's
home.
go.
No,
I'm
because it's f***ed up the way you're treating me. Because I didn't do shit to you.
You want to go to jail? Let's go.
Don't press me
Come
like
on,
that.
let's go.
Don't press me
Let's
like
go.
that, for G.
I'm gonna take you home.
Press me like that, G.
That's what I'm gonna sit you on car.
You gonna attack me? Are you okay?
Now make sure you ain't grabbing.
Am I
I don't
under?
know what-
Am
no,
I
I don't know what's in that
getting
car.
detained?
No, but I.
This is me.
This is your
I'm not-
last chance to leave the property, otherwise you're
Yeah.
going to get arrested for trespass.
Yeah.
Do you understand me?
Yeah.
This is the last time you're going to be
Yeah.
told this.
Do you mind?
Bro, come on, I'll take this.
Yeah.
So
Come on,
either
let's
take
go.
this free ride.
I'm trying to get my money. I'm trying to get my phone.
Bro, get your money, your phone, and
Yeah,
let's go.
that's all
I'll
I'm.
take you to there. Out the
You
cars
don't
of my
got
heart.
to.
You
You better off listening to
Yo,
him.
you was way cooler than that,
Hey,
bro.
you
better off listening
I
to
didn't do it. Yo, you pulling my chain,
let's
G?
go.
One more time, man.
They finna take your dumb ass to jail, bro.
Take me to jail for what, bro? I'm trying to get my money.
Grab your money then.
Grab your
Thank
money,
you,
let's
bro.
go.
Trying to get my cigarettes too.
Come on, I've been taking
Hey,
you,
bro. Yo,
Let's go, bro.
Just helping you out to find your stuff, man.
I don't need that. Turn it off.
We want it.
Turn it off, man.
Just helping you
Don't
out.
be rude.
Yo, ready?
There's your
Turn it
Gucci
off,
bag.
bro. I
yeah.
don't give a trying to get a cigarette. You're pressing me, cause what?
Do you want a cigarette?
Yeah.
Come on,
Thank
bro,
you.
you doing? Let's go.
Give me a cigarette.
Look at. I got fast food.
Here, bro.
Cigarette.
About your stupid ass detail. I didn't do shit wrong to you, man.
Come on, bro. Let's go.
Take a cigarette.
Let's go, bro. Light the cigarette in my truck. Let's go.
Stupid ass, man.
Relax.
Jordans, bro. Yo,
Here,
Jordan.
light.
I come here, man. I'm.
Hey,
Here's a lighter.
I can tell you one
Start
thing.
walking.
I can tell
Get
you.
out of my face and start walking.
I can tell you one
Start
thing.
walking.
Yo, I didn't do nothing
Start
wrong. I'm not
walking.
recording still.
Start walking.
Yeah.
Start walking. I've had enough. Go.
Can I get a lighter?
Start walking.
Push it.
I got one in my truck.
Then you're going to go to jail.
lighter.
Let's go.
Last chance. If you don't get in the car, you're going to jail.
Can I tell you one thing? I got this all on recording, bro.
Great. I do
Remember
too.
that.
It's time to go.
Let's go.
Thank you, sir.
You need to stop walking up on us and go
Yeah.
home.
I'm not
Simple as
walking
that.
up on you.
Go home.
You press me
Take
for
the free
what?
ride. Take the
little.
Get out of my face.
I'm
And don't spit at me
in your
again.
face, bro. It's on
Get in
recording.
the car.
One more time, bro.
Let's go, bro.
Please, look, I dropped it. I dropped it.
You didn't drop anything.
I dropped it, dog.
Drop it. Drop.
Let's go.
Get in the truck. Get in the truck.
I'm not going anywhere with y'all.
No one taking that.
I'm walking my ass home. I'm
Put your hands back. Put your hands back.
Ow! 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 What the f did I do? Ow! It's all recording, dog. Ow! Oh! Ow!
I'm trying to get that off.
No!
Get up, man. Stop.
No, I can't, dude. You broke my left shoulder. No, stop! Ow! 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 Yo, just roll me, man.
I can't get my backpack off.
Stand up so we
Yeah,
can check you out.
yeah,
All right?
yeah, yo,
All right,
yo,
sit
bro.
up.
Oh, no.
Sit up. Now stand up.
He was arrested for trespassing, aggravated battery, obstructing justice, and resisting an officer. He's innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.